Hello Aquarius, this is Hula Juan giving you your forecast for 2024. So, Aquarius, kuha tayo ng general forecast cards. Tapos susundan ko ng career, then relationships, tsaka advice cards. So, general forecast, career, relationships, and 7 na advice cards na sana makatulong sa inyo for 2024. So, kuha muna tayo ng cards. Okay. Yung iba kasi sa inyo nagtatanong or nag-request na sana i-shuffle ko daw muna yung cards. Actually, para sa akin medyo humahaba kasi yung video, pero yung iba baka talagang gusto nilang nakikita siya na shuffle yung cards, no? So, ayan. Ako, okay lang naman kahit ano, pero kung gusto nyo, try natin yan. Okay? So, let's start with your reading, Aquarius. You have the Chariot and the Star. Going in 2024, nakikita ko sa inyo na merong malakas yung energy ninyo to really achieve things and just move forward. Ang open-minded ninyo eh. Parang mahilig, makikinig kayo sa ideas ng iba and gagawin mo yung pwede mong gawin para ma-achieve mo yung kung ano yung mas makakabuti. Kasi you may not have all the answers, pero gusto mong willing kang makinig sa ibang tao, and that is a very admirable kasi it doesn't matter kung ikaw yung tama or mali, pero gusto mong mag-move forward kasi yun yung makakabuti. Alam mo, in 2024, pumapasok ka ng 2024 na tinatanggal mo lahat ng limitations sa'yo, tinatanggal mo lahat ng mga beliefs na hindi naman makakabuti sa'yo. So, because of that, mas marami kang magagawa. In the past kasi, you really tried to move forward and just, alam mo yun, iwanan mo na lang yung mga hindi nakakabuti sa'yo. Pwedeng may mga sama ka ng loob na binitawan mo. Okay? Right now, masaya ka kasi na nakikita yung sarili mo na kahit ikaw lang sa sarili mo, napapansin mo na I'm doing good at this. Meron akong ganitong na-realize and ang galing ko pala. Masaya ka sa ganun eh. Kawaga it inspires, so hindi naman sa tipong nagtataas ka ng sarili mong bangko. Pero in yourself, nafe-feel mo to. In the near future, alam mo, habang nabibuild mo yung sarili mo, you become someone who is a leader and somebody na isusundan ng mga tao. Okay? So, in 2024, paano ba yung relationship mo with other people? Ano ba yung nakikita natin na pwedeng maging magbago? Pagdating kasi sa mga emotional na bagay, ikaw, pwede mo kasing gawin na hindi magpa-apekto, pwede mo ding gawin na hindi mo masyadong pinapansin yung mga emotional na bagay ng buhay. Kunwari may mga away-away, may gulo-gulo, hindi ko alam kung ano siya eh, no? Pero it's something na nakaka-trigger emotionally. You can choose na parang iwanan na lang yung mga bagay na yon. And people will feel na parang nakakainis naman, magkakaroon sila ng sama ng loob. But kung gagawin mo na kumbaga kung hindi mo babaliwalain yung emotional side mo and yung emotions ng ibang tao, kumbaga let us say meron kayong kaalitan na ibang tao, wag mong i-undermine or wag mong babaliwalain yung nararamdaman nila, but use it to understand saan sila nanggagaling at saan ka nanggagaling and find a better maghanap ka ng points of agreement and hanggang magkasundo kayo. Kasi nakikita ko na you have the ability to fix things and people will be more receptive of you. Mas makikinig sila sa'yo. Kung hindi mo babaliwalain yung mga bagay na naiinis din sila. Okay? Kumbaga understanding. Ganyan. So ano bang advice sa'yo for 2024? Wag kang bias. Kung saan yung nararapat at tama, doon ka. Kasi yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng good karma in the form of more people supporting you and the universe behind you. Kasi the more na ginagawa mong hindi ka masyadong bias, nakikita ko na mas nag-enjoy ka sa buhay for 2024. Ang happy niya, nakakagaan, madaming moments na somehow ma-realize mo na sana dati pa lang may ganito na. Okay? So, kuha na tayo ng career and money. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading na to, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Maliit na bagay lang po ito to support my channel. And para blessings lang ang umiikot sa buhay natin. Ang intention naman po talaga ng channel na to is to really lead people to the right direction, give some guidance, and overall, para lang mas madami yung na-enlighten. Yung iba sa inyo nagtataka din, ano ba yung music ko, no? Ito kasi is to raise your energies para hindi masyadong bagsak yung energies ninyo. Gusto ko kasi na habang nakikinig kayo, even sometimes nagpokpos ako, gusto ko yung music mismo is nakakatulong din sa inyo to really clear any negativity and to inspire you to be a better person in this world. Okay? So, ito na naman. When it comes to your career and money, may mga bagay talaga na parang nakakainis, nakakabuisit, but you really have to look at things na medyo binabalanse mo. Balansehin mo yung emotional aspects and yung logical aspects ng mga bagay pagdating sa trabaho at sa work. Minsan kasi, let's say, may business ka. Gusto mong gawin ito kasi yun yung pakiramdam mong okay. Pero, logically, hindi siya nagme-make sense kasi ganito, ganyan. So, find the balance in between. Intindihin mo siya, namnamin mo siya. Kung kailangan mong sundan yung nararamdaman mo, sundan mo din siya. Then that will somehow give you this opportunity na i-balance yung mga bagay. Siya yung magbibigay sa iyo ng parang idea na pwede mong kunin yung konting part neto, pero sundutan mo din ng konting logic. Ganyan. Diyan mo mahanap yung balance. In the past kasi hindi ka masyadong inspired eh. Pagdating sa work, hindi ka inspired. So, but in the near future, in 2024, nakikita ko that something will come out of your small effort. Kunwari, magbabago ka ng trabaho, mag-apply ka. Then that will lead to something new. Kung gusto mong let's say, start a new business, start small. And that will go somewhere. Start something. Okay? Nakikita ko yung ganon. Anong advice sa'yo? Advice sa'yo is pagdating sa pera, money, career. Do the things that are very comfortable for you. Kung saan ka magaling, gawin mo yon. Because that will give you more opportunities, more money. Okay? Ganun siya kasimple. So, kuha tayo ng cards for relationships. Kuha tayo ng cards for relationship. And hindi ibig sabihin ng relationships ay jowa-jowa lang. Relationships is family, friends, jowa, pwedeng mga katrabaho mo, pwedeng yung kapitbahay mo. It will apply to all of it. Okay? Isa pa. Diba? Kaya ayokong pinapakita yung shuffle kasi medyo mabagal ako mag-shuffle. Pero, okay lang naman. Okay. Relationship. Okay. Relationship. Somehow, Aquarius, hindi mo kasi nakikita yung value mo. Hindi mo nakikita yung value mo pagdating sa relationships. Ano ba yung ambag mo? Saan ka ba magaling? Ganyan. Or somehow, hindi mo na-appreciate yung totoong ikaw. In the past kasi, you really tried to really do something more. Pagdating sa relationships, maybe you tried to communicate more, pero nag-fail ka, you tried to do something else, pero hindi masyadong pumatok. Ganyan. But, okay lang yon kasi you will find yourself na more spiritually connected, mas magkakaroon ka ng gana to do things, to improve things with your relationships. It doesn't matter anong klaseng relationship yan. Pero kung gusto mong maayos ang mga bagay-bagay sa mga relationship mo, makukuha mo yun in 2024. So, anong advice sa'yo? Huwag ka masyadong bossy, Aquarius. Makinig ka sa sinasabi ng iba. Maging two-way yung relationship, yung communication. Hindi yung ideas mo lang ng ikaw lang. You have to make people feel na hindi mo sila binoboss, hindi mo pinapakinggan yung sinasabi nila. Dapat pakinig ka sa sinasabi nila. Dapat alam ng mga tao yun. Kung maganda yung intention mo doon, kung maipapakita mo din na parang nakikinig ka talaga and sincere ka, alam mo, people will be very, very happy and willing silang makipag-usap sa'yo ng matino. Willing din sila na ibigay sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mo. Kumaga fair kayong dalawa kasi fair ka. Yung binibigay mo fair, kaya binibigay din na sa'yo fair din. Okay? Kumbaga, what you give, you get what you give. Okay? So that's your relationship. Kuha na tayo ng mga advice cards. Advice cards. 7 advice cards for Aquarius. Seven advice cards for Aquarius. Okay. Each time I choose tune into spirit guidance of the highest truth shows up for me. So, tune in ka sa sa spirituality mo. Yung pinakamataas mong belief. And always ask for guidance. Para laging mabigyan ka ng support ng religion mo. Worry. I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. So, hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan mong ma-rattle, hindi mo kailangan magkapag-isip ng kung anong bagay na ikapag-aalala mo kasi hindi siya mag-work. So, yun ang paalala sa'yo. Share your voice. Come out of the cave. Persecution. Expression. So you need to really express yourself. Share your thoughts. Ano bang nararamdaman mo? Kailangan mong sabihin ito in 2024. Kasi kung magtatago ka lang sa sarili mong kwarto, hindi mo sasabihin, explain yung sarili mo, then hindi ka, paano mo malalaman, paano mo makukuha yung mga gusto mo ipang gawin? Ayan, sing. In other words, express yourself. Sing. Express yourself. Huwag kang mahiyaan na sabihin mo kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin. Express mo kung anong gusto mong sabihin. Okay. Pang-5 card. Okay. Daydream, imagination, allow your mind to wander. Quiet time. Bigyan mo din yung sarili mo na minsan mag-imagine, makapag-plan, and to really para makita mo na yung mga bagay na naiisip mo lang Ano ba yung pwedeng mangyari? True love, your wholeness and safety lie within, not from a partner, but this sovereignty actually leads to the deepest intimacy for you to stop using others. Let me stand on my own feet, dear Lord, and know true love. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Hindi mo nga mahanap ang ibang bagay sa iba kasi kung meron ka nun, then hindi mo kailangan hanapin sa iba. And darating na lang yung mga taong makakatulong sa'yo and yung para sa'yo. Okay. Creative blocks. If you are an artist of any kind, you can offer all the work to the divine, making it God's alone. I offer this for the highest good to benefit the planet. Release me from any blocks and restrictions may deserve all who need. The same as expression, express yourself. Express yourself. Kung nahihiya ka, isipin mo na lang ginagawa mo to para hindi sa sarili mo, pero para sa mga pinapaniwalaan mo. Successful funding. Your idea is divinely guided and supported by the same infinite wisdom of God that gave you the idea. Do not allow money concerns or to prevent you from turning it into reality. Crowdfunding partnerships and other investments are available to help you. So, in other words, huwag ka mahihiyang humingi ng tulong. Pera man yan, advice, whatever. Huwag kang mahihiyang magtanong. Okay? So, yan ang forecast mo for this month. Subscribe to Hula Juan para every month may aabangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember na sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. Aquarius, see you sa next reading.